Diagnosed with something called an autoimmune disease, which was apparently impacting my spine. I thought I was all okay, but last 4 weeks had been hell for me. As you know, autoimmune diseases cannot be healed. It can be only managed. For the last week or 2 weeks, I've been struggling to walk a lot. My mobility in my neck has reduced substantially because of inflammation in my neck. When he prayed, and he actually helped me move my neck about 4 ways, and I felt that the mobility has increased much better. Now I can actually do this and do this and do this and do this